Dear students, today I would like to take a class on Othello for you. And I hope from the lecture that I will take today, you can understand the critical points regarding Othello as well as some of the major characters that we find in this drama. You all know that Shakespeare had written 37 dramas, and among those 37 dramas, he has written tragedies, comedies, historical drama, tragicomedy. These are the different types of dramas that Shakespeare had written during his lifetime. Among the tragedies that Shakespeare had written, critics consider four tragedies to be very much extraordinary. And among those four tragedies, Othello is a remarkable one. And other three remarkable tragedies are Hamlet, King Lear, and Macbeth. And in the syllabus of masters under National University, three remarkable tragedies are prescribed in master syllabus. And those three tragedies are King Lear, Othello, and Hamlet. So today I will take the class on Othello. And Othello is considered to be one of the most prominent tragedies in which we will find the activities of Othello, the protagonist of this drama. And the setting of this drama is initially in Venice of Italy, and the later portion is in Cyprus. So two places are mainly considered to be found here as the setting of this drama. So Othello, the protagonist of this drama, is a black moor, and all the activities are related to Othello, and that is why the title of this drama is Othello, and other title of this drama is actually the tragedy of Othello. And like all other tragedies of Shakespeare, we will find that Shakespeare had violated unity of time and unity of place in this drama, but he had maintained unity of action in this drama. This drama is not confined to 24 hours, and therefore we will get the violation of the unity of time. And the drama is also not confined to the single place, and that is why we will also find the violation of the unity of place. And the drama is confined to the activities of Othello, and everything or every action of the drama is related to Othello and Desdemona. And therefore, we will evaluate that unity of action is closely maintained in this drama. And like other remarkable tragedies of Shakespeare, we will find the tragic flaw or hamartia also in this drama. And the hamartia or the tragic flaw of Othello is credulousness. Credulousness means easy to believe everyone, and that is one tragic flaw which will lead a man to his predicament for believing a person who is not worthy to be believed. And here that credulousness is found in the character of Othello, for which Othello had to suffer, and Othello had to meet his end, and that is his predicament. And not only that Othello had to suffer, Desdemona had also to suffer here because of the tragic flaw of Othello. So, as we find in Hamlet, the tragic flaw is, procrastination, that is delay in taking action. And in King Lear, we have got the tragic flaw of, misjudgment or error in judgment, lack of judgment, for which King Lear had to suffer. And in Macbeth, we have found the tragic flaw of overambitiousness, which is also responsible for the predicament of Macbeth. So, we will definitely find the tragic flaw of Othello here, and which will be considered to be responsible for the tragic predicament of not only Othello, but also some other important characters here. And here in Othello we will find that Othello is a man who loves definitely his wife, but he loves excessively and without any consideration, without any reason, without any reasoning, without any intellect. So passion is more reflecting here in comparison to intellect, and there is no combination between passion and intellect in the activities of Othello, and that is another important cause of the tragedy of Othello in this drama. And in Othello we will find the motive of revenge also, and that revenge motive which was innovated by the classical tragedians many years ago. And in the classical tragedies we will find, or we have found the dominance of revenge motive throughout the tragedies. If we mention the name of Agamemnon, if we mention the name of Phaedra, if we mention the name of Medea, we will find the revenge motive reflected in all these tragedies. And even in some other tragedies like Hippolytus, like Iphigenia, in many cases, revenge motive is very much present in the classical tragedies. And in Elizabethan period, Thomas Kyd, you all know the name of Thomas Kyd. Thomas Kyd is one of the university wits during the Elizabethan period. Some other university wits are Thomas Lodge, Thomas Nash, George Peele, Robert Greene, Christopher Marlowe. So among those university wits, Thomas Kyd is a remarkable writer who had written a revenge tragedy named A Spanish Tragedy in imitation with the classical tragedians, classical revenge tragedians. Shakespeare had also written some revenge tragedies like Hamlet. Hamlet is also a revenge tragedy. In Macbeth, we also get the revenge motive reflected in the throughout the drama. In Othello, we also get the revenge motive, particularly in the activities of Iago, the villain, the main villain of this tragedy. So in the activities of Iago, we will find the revenge motive, and that revenge motive is executed in a very well planned way, and that is one of the chief regions for the interest in this tragedy. So in Othello, we will also get the Residual, that is called Residual. As Othello is a black moor, as he was a black moor, we also have got the apartheid or the Residual in this drama. Roderigo, in the comment of Roderigo and Iago, we will find that both Iago and Roderigo, even Brabantio, had commented against Othello because of his color, and that is considered to be a theme of apartheid, which is found even in this drama, Othello. Othello, the protagonist of this drama, is in a very higher position. He was the commander general of Venetian army, but nevertheless of his higher position, because he was a black Moor, he was also under the criticism for his color, and that is called racism, or that is called apartheid. So even Othello could not escape the tendency of apartheid or tendency of racism here in this drama by the white people, like Brabantio, like Roderigo, like Iago. And so this is another important aspect of this drama here, that is racism or apartheid. And love is also the dominant theme in this drama, as we find initially the love between Desdemona and Othello. And before the play opens, Desdemona and Othello had married each other without informing informing Brabantio. And then the drama opens. So love is the dominant theme in this drama, but along with love, jealousy is another important dominant theme. And because of jealousy, many characters are very much, angry with Othello, like Iago. Iago is very much angry. Roderigo is very much angry. Brabantio is also very much angry. So Othello is subject of anger of many prominent characters in this drama. So that is because of jealousy. That is because of enviousness. So we can also make this comment that jealousy or enviousnness is another important theme in this drama. And this drama is also called as the drama of intrigue, as we will find the intrigue or plot or plotting always prevalent throughout this drama. Iago is always busy in hatching plots, in hatching intrigues, and he became also successful in taking revenge upon Othello for not being appointed as the lieutenant in the army. So that is jealousy. That is that is jealousy. That is enviousness, and therefore we can also make this comment that enviousness or jealousy is also one important theme of this drama. And the drama is also a drama of realization. In the end, all the characters realize, all the living characters realize their real, activities, real action. Particularly Othello came to know about his fault before dying. That is another important fact. And poetic justice is also mentioned in this drama. Poetic justice is mentioned here because it is true that Othello had, suffered for his misdeeds, but Iago had also been captured in the process of his taking action. So the villainous characters, all the villainous characters are also, caught in the end of the drama, though some good characters had to pay the penalty. Particularly Desdemona can be considered to be very much, innocent character. Despite being innocent character, Desdemona had been trapped, and that is one very much frustrating picture here. But for establishing the truth, sometimes even innocent characters had to pay the penalty, had to suffer different types of negative situations. That is also found in this drama Othello. So actually, we can also reflect that Othello is a drama of many remarkable themes, and Othello Othello is a drama in which we also find the depiction of the contemporary society of that time, and contemporary society, contemporary civilization, contemporary world. And in that world, there were also the different types of conflicts prevalent, and that is also reflected in this drama. And I think from this short discussion, you could get some ideas about the critical points in this drama.